So in my opinion, this is a very sturdy engraving ball vise. Um, Very different from the small one that I posted a few months ago. I bought the small one. The small size actually, because um, I make very tiny stuff, so I wanted something tiny. So now I am in need of a bigger ball vise because I am actually setting some larger pieces, so I needed a better block, you know, bigger jaws and everything to hold my work, and the thermo lock, so I could do a nice job, you know. So this is the Vevor, or Vevor, or no, it's a Vevor, or a Vevor. I don't know how to, I really don't know how to, well, I really do not know how to pronounce that. So it's a 5-inch ball vise with a 34 pieces attachment. So it's a 5-inch, okay? They have actually, I think 3 inches or 3.5 inches. I selected the 5-inch. So make sure if you want the big one, they have some features there that you can check, and they do have the sizes. So like I said, I clicked on the 5-inch ball vise because that's the size that I need. Okay, I think it's very nice. It's very, I had a GRS one, but I had to sell it, and this is actually no different, to be honest with you guys. It's a very sturdy vise, and it's all I need. I do not engrave. I'm not saying that I will never, but this will cover my needs for now. And I paid actually $99 plus the shipping and the, you know, the taxes, and I think all came to over a little bit of $120 or less. So I think it's a fantastic piece of jewelry. I mean, tool for jewelry, and this will do very well. This is the brand. So I hope you enjoy it. I mean, look at this. This is fantastic. Very nice. Look at the size of that key. It's just amazing. I love it. I love the looks. I really love it. Very, very nice. I will put up down below the link to their website and to the product, and I will actually insert a picture of what you have to go to. I mean, the item, okay? And then that's the one. But make sure, I just checked, and I saw that there was only a 3-inch, even though it says 5 when you go down. But if you do not see that there is a 5-inch to click on, please contact. They have a chat service, so you can chat with one of their customer service people, and they will answer you really quickly. Okay, so well, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.